Hello, hungry people! Today it's the Leberkäse burger. It's the fancy version of that popular snack stand roll, also known as the Bavarian burger. Bavarian Leberkäse is famous, but unlike the Saxon version, this one actually doesn't contain any liver at all. It is a matter of taste, though. The burger tastes great with either one. Burger buns and lettuce. I'll use this one, but it's up to you. Arugula tastes great too. Pepper and salt are enough for seasoning. We need some pickles. I like the small ones, the cornichons. And Leberkäse. Any type works, or even your own homemade stuff. I have a video. It's linked up there in the description box, and at the end too. We need mustard, sweet is best. 1 egg per burger, a tomato, and a nice red onion. First things first, a little prep work. Let's slice up the tomato into rounds. Do the same with the pickles, whether they're big or small. And then just slice up the onion as well. Once that's done, heat some oil in a good-sized pan. Then, go ahead and toss in the Leberkäse slices. Fry them in the hot oil on both sides. Make sure you flip them over nicely. When they're browned to your liking, however crispy you want them, just go ahead and take them out of the pan. We'll keep using the pan, cracking the eggs in now, depending on how many burgers we're making. Let them set at medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, then flip them and cook for roughly the same time until done, and then take them out of the pan. Now, slice up your buns. I really love the sesame ones. Toast the halves quickly. You can use the microwave, oven, or a toaster, whatever works best for you. Now we can finally start the assembly. We'll begin by spreading a thin, even layer of mustard on both the top and the bottom buns. Next, place a fresh lettuce leaf on both halves, and then lay a slice of that fried meatloaf right onto the bottom bun. Pop the egg right on top, and season it now with a little pepper and salt. Add tomato slices, 1 or 2 depending on size, and finish with the pickles. Scatter some onion rings over that, and finally, top it off with the prepared bun. And there it is, a burger that's a bit different. It was really fast to make, and I think it looks absolutely delicious. Trust me, it tastes just as good. If you love Leberkäse like I do, you're gonna love this. Have fun making it, and enjoy. See you next time. Bye.